Hey guys, thank you for clicking on another one of my YouTube videos and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, I basically just give small tutorials on how I achieve some of my press-on nail designs. I do have a press-on nail business that I will link down below, and this week I'm going to show you how I achieve these really simple, probably the most basic nails I've done so far, but these brown nails that you can pretty much wear for any occasion. So yeah. So as always, I like to start by prepping my nails. I use a nail drill to file away the surface to make it rough. Okay, so once the surface has been roughened up a little bit, I then take a small brush and just dust off the excess powder from the nail drill. And then I'm going to go in and apply my base coats. Okay, now the base coat is on, cure that for 60 seconds, and then once that's done, we're going to move on to applying the first layer of our brown nail polish. Again, once that is done, cure that for another 60 seconds and then apply your second layer of gel polish and then cure that again for 60 seconds. Today it's very easy guys, nothing complicated. So the last step here is just to apply our top coats. I'm going to use a shine finish, but you can also use a matte finish. Matte finishes are always really cute, so yeah, feel free to switch it up. There we have it guys, that's the end of this video. I told you it was going to be a quick one, but yeah, this is me modeling the nails on. If you would like to see an actual video of how I apply the nails and how to prep your nails so that they last long, then let me know and I'll do that for you. But yeah, enjoy my hand modeling. These are the nails. Please don't forget to check out my Instagram and my website, and I also have an Etsy that you can buy my nails from. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!